In this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Adobe InDesign. First, select the Type tool from the left side of your screen and create a text box. The text written in this text box will automatically be wrapped within the box and will not extend beyond it. If you want to wrap text around an object, you can easily do that by importing the object into your canvas. Once the object is placed on your canvas, go to the Window option at the top menu and select Text Wrap from the drop-down. This will open the Text Wrap panel. In this panel, click on the third icon, which is labeled Wrap Around Object Shape. After that, select the type as Alpha Channel. Once you've applied these settings, you will see that the text will automatically adjust and wrap around the object you placed. Once you're satisfied with the result, you can export your file by going to File from the top left corner, then clicking on Export and saving it in your preferred format. After exporting, you will see that the text remains properly wrapped around the object, and that's how you can wrap text in Adobe InDesign.